Do you need a water heater installation? Or do you have a broken water heater? Find out if you need your water heater replaced. Or if maintenance will suffice. If you're not getting hot water, it could be the heating element or another maintenance issue. If you have a new water heater that needs installation, we've got you covered. A water heater, especially an electric model, is a very simple device. Unfortunately, that doesn't make it easy to install. Call our professional installers and let them do it right. We have installed hundreds of water heaters in our time. So we know what brands are reliable. And what technologies are worth investing in to save electricity. When you're ready to install your next water heater, whether for a home or business location, give us a call at 520-399-6290 and we will do your installation the right way, using the best water heater for your needs. See the reviews on our website from other pleased customers and then contact us to install your water heater. Visit plumbinggreenvalley.com or call 520-399-6290.